Alrighty, Chapter 1 projects here, so let's get right into it. I'm probably going to pause the video a couple times because the emulator is pretty rough on this computer, but I'll go ahead and go over the program. So this is the Tech Quotes program, and to build this, all I had to do was use a couple text view controls. I got one here, and then one that's the quote, and then that's the actual the name of the person being quoted. And I just linked that over here to this strings.xml file, and you can see right here I've got my the actual quote and then the name of the person there. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this. Alrighty, so my emulator finally loaded up here, and it's pretty nice. This is a Nexus 5 running, I think it's Android 9.0. But alright, here, so this is the Tech Quotes application. We got the title up there, and then we got our quote. It says, "I do not fear computers, I fear lack of them," by Isaac Asimov, and it's a very, very true statement. Alright, well, let's see, let me go ahead and load up that other project before I pause this again. Okay, so I got the second program loaded up here, and this is the dessert names program. It's got all the dessert names of the different Android versions, and I've got all those listed there. I actually noticed that the book missed one, I think, in its program. It was gingerbread, but so we've got that added in. At least I think, right, they had missed that, but same basic thing with the XML. I've got the actual string over here, and it's split there between two lines, so it'll look right over here. But I just use one text view control. So let me go ahead and load up that emulator again. Okay, here we go. And this is the dessert names program. It's got all the dessert names, the Android versions there. So there we go, and I believe that wraps up the Chapter 1 projects.